If you wake up feeling tired, groggy, and already behind, you're not alone. I used to hit snooze 3 times and rely on caffeine to fake my way through the day. Until I found this 5-step morning ritual. I changed just 5 things in my morning. And within 3 days, I felt more energy, better focus, and my mood, so much better. And no, it's not just about lemon water and yoga. It's way deeper than that. Feel better by tomorrow, let's go. Before caffeine, I drink my Mineral Magic. Filtered water plus lemon plus a pinch of sea salt. It hydrates at the cellular level and jumpstarts your digestion. Hydration equals sign energy. Add trace minerals for an extra boost. 10 minutes in sunlight first thing helps reset your circadian rhythm and boosts your dopamine, the motivation chemical. I combine it with light movement or stretching for that double hit of energy. Sunlight plus steps equal sign natural pre-workout. Forget the sugary cereals. I eat for focus. Protein, healthy fats, and fiber. My go-to is a smoothie with clean protein, chia seeds, greens, and adaptogens. Get my morning smoothie formula at fitandfabshop.com. This is the secret weapon. 5 minutes of mindset work. I write 3 things I'm grateful for, 3 things I'm calling in, and 1 I am affirmation. Energy flows where intention goes. My last step? Herbal energy support. I rotate between maca, rhodiola, and green tea extract. Natural energy without the crash. All linked on fitandfabshop.com if you want to try. Natural nasty energy drinks. Choose wisely. I put together my full morning ritual cheat sheet, recipes, affirmations, and product links. And it's free on my site. Grab it below and try it tomorrow. You'll feel the difference. Download your morning ritual guide, fitandfabshop.com. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just start with your morning. Subscribe for more rituals, recipes, and real talk. Your glow up starts here. Subscribe like download free guide fitandfabshop.com.